Welcome to the Z Hut. Today we're going to take a look at the DOWELL, I believe it's pronounced, wire strippers. Now I bought these because I bought some wire, some 26 AWG, grabbed my handy Stanley, which is, this is actually a very good wire stripper, and it only goes to 20. So I went on Amazon, got this. It was like $7, roughly. And I haven't opened it up yet. It just came today. So let's take a look at it here. It's for 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30 AWG. It also has the millimeter sizes down here. I read the instructions here for it, the warning. They're pretty funny. This tool shouldn't be used on live electrical circuits. It isn't protected against electrical shock. Now that one they got worded right, but their translation software they used for the rest of it, well, it's just like a lot of the Chinese instruction manuals. Not cut iron wire and steel wire. The plastic handle of environmental protections type is comfortable. When stripping the wire, put the wire into corresponding stripping wire dent, press lightly and pull outside with strength. Must avoid hurt the wire. By all means, people, don't hurt your wire when you use this. That would be bad. All right, other than that, it looks like it's a sturdy tool. Let's open it up. Oh, comes open real easy. I actually have not had this out of the package yet. All right, we'll save that. I can use it to hold it on the pegboard. No, it's got a lock, and that was nice. I looked at some other ones, and they didn't have the lock. They were always open like this, and I wanted to be able to either put it in my tool holder, or with this I can hang it on the pegboard. But, yeah, wear safety goggles written right on there. But just remember, don't hurt that wire. It was a little sticky the first couple times, but that's a good thing. It means it's nice and tight. Yeah, it seems to be nice and tight. No frills to it. It's got a cutter on the back part. Kind of a little grip on the front and then your strippers. But I got some 26 AWG here. And I do believe this ribbon cable is like 30. So let's try it out. All right, there's the end of it. And this wire here, this is for servos. I need to make some custom extensions. There we go. Alright, and this is 26 AWG. So it says 26 goes there. Wow, look at that. Perfect. And by God, we didn't hurt the wire. Wow. Definitely nice and sharp, easy to pull. I can see there's just a little bit, tiny bit of oil residue on there from in the packaging, which is a good thing. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. I'll take a cotton towel later and clean that off. All right, on the 26, it works awesome. I see one wire strand that got broke off. Maybe two, but when you're stripping wire, that is very common, so we actually hurt that wire. Uh-oh. The other ones don't appear to have done that. Well, let's try the 30. I do believe this is 30. This stuff is going to be a little trickier to separate. I might need... There we go. right. It worked. Again, it looked like it took one, maybe two wires out. You know, this could be 28 gauge. It actually didn't say on the packaging. I got this particular wire, whoops, shouldn't be doing that. Got this particular wire real cheap because there wasn't a whole lot of info on it, and I figured I could use it. Let's try the 28. I actually got a gauge here I could grab and check. Yeah. All right, maybe it is 28. But as you can see, it works. And when I used it that time, I don't see any wires that came off with it. So, well, I would have to say, just from the quick test, these are definitely worth the $7. This pair, the Stanley pair, was like $15, $20, if I remember right. And I got that, I believe it was Walmart. But yeah, the dowel wire stripper for the 22 to 30 AWG on a 9 to 10, I'll give this 9.5. I don't give 10s, and it's extremely rare. This almost deserves the 10, but we'll go 9.5. All right, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you for joining us here today at the Z Hut. If you found this information useful, please remember, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate it very much.